Hey, the website I have come across this year is called Legends of Learning. It's a website designed for science class. It's a real fun learning experience for kids. They get to play all variety of games. Before we get into that, my standards, both one for students, one for educators. The student one is there to able to articulate and set personal learning goals, develop strategies leveraging technology to achieve them, and reflect on the learning process itself to help improve learning outcomes. And for the educator, the standard I chose was to it provides alternative ways for students to demonstrate competency and reflect on their learning using technology. Okay, so right here, Legends of Learning, a free website. You create your class. You can monitor your students' progress according to the standards, which is pretty nice. Here, for example, my seventh grade class, we're going over Earth Science. So what I would do is I would click on Earth Science, and we're going over plate tectonics. So I would select plate tectonics, and I can assign that to them. So what it looks like is when you have your students sign in, this is what it looks like. Are you playing at school? Are you playing at home? Or are you doing the homework assigned by your teacher? Which, if I assigned it to them, that's what they would click on. Hey, so here's what I picked. I clicked on the plate tectonics. They would just start. Kind of takes them through a little tutorial over what the game's going to be about. Hey, and please bear in mind, I have not tried this game yet, but I'm doing this one just for the purpose of showing you what's going on. Okay, so here they give you a question: earthquake that occur on land uh, caused by which of the following? And they would have to choose A, B, or C. So if they click C, obviously they get it right, and they attack the boss. Okay, so that's just one of the many, many games that they have for the students to show their learning. And then up here, you can add any games to the playlist you want the kids to be playing. Here you go. Here are uh, the difficulty. It gives them the difficulty, what's to be assessed on there. We have the curriculum. There's going to be 8 vocab words, 4 discussion questions. The details of the game. It's a pretty easy game. Obviously, they have easy, medium, and difficult games. Usually, most of them are question games. They have to answer questions in order to carry on with the game. And they it's a very easy way to track student progress because it gives you updates on how they're meeting standards, if they're meeting standards, and what they might need to work on just a little bit more.